Kochi is a very dynamic and upcoming city on the Arabian seaboard. It's one of the most vibrant tier 2 cities in this country. Citizenry is very keen on the kind of initiatives that are taken by governments to improve the life of the city. That's the context in which the Kochi Metro project came into being. But like many other Indian cities, we have a number of issues regarding public transport. As all the roads are tweaked in favor of private transport. Public transport never gets primary place. We have a lot of constraints here, very narrow width for pedestrians to walk, no cycling paths. Around these 25-watt metro stations, there is no space to design an urban area where people can get in and out of the station or take a bike and go home, etc. So we are doing a lot of urban redesigning, last mile connectivity, micro planning around the metro viaduct, playing with the flow space index, etc. to see what we can do to improve the space around this public transportation system.
We at WRI Cities are working to make cities more livable. To further this cause, we launched the Safe Access Manual at the beginning of this year. And the manual looks at improving station areas around mass transit.
The Safe Access workshops have really developed from the Safe Access Manual, the publication. This publication is really comprehensive, but it has 5 primary strategies that we work around. That is pedestrian and cyclist priority, seamless integration of public transport, looking at improving the public realm, enhancing safety and security, and looking at parking management in station areas. These exercises use tools such as role-play cards and an interactive board to engage with the participants in each workshop. The role-play cards are used to help participants understand the issues and problems faced by vulnerable users in station areas, particularly users such as children, the elderly, and people with disability. The interactive board has become a critical tool to help participants discuss and understand the problems that a real station area might face. It also helps them collaboratively discuss and choose strategies from a list provided on what an optimal station area requires and how to arrive at these solutions working together instead of choosing the best solution as an individual.
We want to create an implementable template which people can take and use not just in Kochi but in other cities in Kerala also, and we want it to be a multi-stakeholder effort, which is why we have called everybody. And if all this happens in the next 2 or 3 years, Kochi will be the first city where public transportation will be the dominant mode and where a car owner will find it much more convenient to leave his car at home and get into the public transportation system.
The interactive board has emerged as this really great tool that we can have where participants come together. Real people using station areas can come together and understand not just what they are facing but also what other people are facing, and then work together to develop something which works for all of them.
So going forward, there are 2 things that we want to do. One is that we want to take the Safe Access Manual and bring it to become the ready reference for all implementing agencies and city authorities who want to do safe access around mass transit. The other is we want this whole process of safe access planning to become more inclusive and equitable.